Hey, America! We got the Italian food here. We got the shrimp and ahi tuna. It's nice and beautiful tuna, and we got the garlic with the lemon on the fettuccine with the parmigiano. And I'm gonna shush. Hey man, look, and this meal cost me about $3.50. It's one of my higher ones because of the big piece of tuna, but I bought the tuna in a big old bag. Chef John, Get a Gourmet. Check out my links below, man. Lots of food, and I teach cumulatively. La 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 la. And so, look at my links. All right, this is on fettuccine, nice garlic wine, garlic butter, and lemon sauce. All right, peace, y'all. I want you to have a better community, man. Read some of the stuff I've written too. I'm really trying to lift this all up, man. Peace up, you know what I mean? Lions rise, man. This homie rising, bringing everybody he can with him. You know what I mean? If you're a G, you need a job, come over and work with me. I'll hook you up right.